Canada is actively engaged in some of the largest public infrastructure projects in its history, reflecting a commitment to modernization, sustainability, and economic development. These projects span various sectors, including transportation, energy, and urban development, and aim to address critical infrastructure needs while enhancing connectivity and environmental stewardship. From ambitious transit expansions to major energy initiatives, these projects underscore Canada's efforts to meet the challenges of a growing population and economy while fostering resilience and sustainability in the face of global challenges. This introduction sets the stage for exploring the diverse and impactful infrastructure endeavors shaping Canada's future. Bruce Power Refurbishment. Preparatory work for a $13 billion refurbishment project is underway at Bruce Power in Tiverton, Ontario. 2 reactor units are being refurbished under the project, which will include the replacement of key reactor components, such as steam generators, calandria, and feeder tubes. Work on the first unit will begin in 2023 and the second unit in 2025. Systems in the company's 8 reactor units are being replaced. The work will add 30 to 35 years of operational life to each reactor and create and sustain 22,000 direct and indirect jobs annually. Iona Island Wastewater Treatment Plant. Iona Island Wastewater Treatment Plant is a critical facility located in Westchester County, New York, operated by the New York City Department of Environmental Protection, DEP. It serves to treat wastewater from approximately 56,000 households and businesses in communities like New Rochelle and Rye. The plant uses advanced technology to remove pollutants from wastewater before being released into the Long Island Sound, thus protecting water quality and the local marine environment. The facility plays a crucial role in maintaining public health standards and environmental sustainability in the region. Site C Clean Energy Project. The Site C Clean Energy Project is a hydroelectric dam and generating station under construction on the Peace River in northeastern British Columbia, Canada. Once completed, it will be one of the largest infrastructure projects in the province's history. The project aims to provide a clean and renewable electricity to meet the growing demands in British Columbia, supporting economic growth while minimizing greenhouse gas emissions compared to fossil fuel-based energy sources. It involves constructing a 1,100 megawatt hydroelectric facility that will contribute significantly to the province's energy mix, enhancing energy security and sustainability for years to come. Darlington Nuclear Refurbishment. The Darlington Nuclear Refurbishment is a major project undertaken by Ontario Power Generation, OPG, at the Darlington Nuclear Generating Station located in Ontario, Canada. The refurbishment involves the overhaul and modernization of 4 nuclear reactors to extend their operational lifespan by approximately 30 years. This initiative aims to ensure the continued safe and reliable generation of electricity for Ontario's power grid. It includes the replacement of key reactor components, such as fuel channels, steam generators, and control systems, utilizing advanced engineering and construction techniques. The refurbishment project is a critical part of Ontario's energy strategy, contributing to clean energy production and supporting the province's economic and environmental goals. Muskrat Falls Project. Construction is expected to wrap up this fall on the $12.7 billion 824 megawatt hydroelectric generating facility at Muskrat Falls on the lower Churchill River, west of Happy Valley Goose Bay, Labrador. More than 1,600 kilometers of transmission lines and associated electrical equipment are also being installed. The facility consists of a spillway, 3 dams, and a powerhouse, and will be the second largest hydroelectric facility in the region when completed. Ellington Crosstown LRT. The Ellington Crosstown LRT will span 19 kilometers of Ellington Avenue from Mount Dennis to Kennedy Station, creating an east-west connection in Toronto's Midtown. The 25-stop line will link 54 bus routes, 3 subway stations, and multiple GO transit lines. Construction on the light rail transit line began in 2011 and was initially slated for completion in 2020. The project has faced numerous delays, including supply chain issues, unpredictable defects, and legal battles. As of January 2025, no new opening date has been announced. Rissole Express Metropolitan. The REM is an automated light rail network that will have 67 kilometers of track in the Greater Montreal area in Quebec. The $6.32 billion project will include 26 stations, with 23 stations currently under construction. More than 3,000 workers are presently deployed on approximately 30 construction sites. The REM is the largest public transit project undertaken in Quebec in the last 50 years. The first trains are expected to start running in 2022. GO expansion on corridor. Work is expected to start by the end of this year on a $15.705 billion GO expansion on corridor project in the Greater Toronto and Hamilton area of Ontario. The estimated completion date is 2025. The project is the largest infrastructure program ever undertaken by the province, and it includes rehabilitation and renewal of the railway transit corridor and civil infrastructure. Some grade separations, tracks, and tunnel work are underway, with 10 stations under construction and another 29 stations slated for early improvements. And new maintenance, train storage, and layover facilities will also be built. Gordie Howe International Bridge. Design, earth, and utility work has been completed for the $5.7 billion Gordie Howe International Bridge over the Detroit River at Windsor. Ontario construction of 3 road bridges has also started in Michigan. Work on the project started in 2019, and the coming years are expected to be the busiest time for the project. The 6-lane, 2.5-kilometer bridge will have a clear span of 853 meters, the longest main span of any cable-stayed bridge in North America, with no piers in the water. It will be among the top 5 longest bridges in North America. Our Ontario LRT. Mobilinx is building a $5.632 billion Ontario Light Rail Transit (LRT) that will bring a new, environmentally friendly method of transportation to the rapidly growing region between Brampton and Port Credit, Ontario. The 18-kilometer LRT will have its own dedicated lane, ensuring a smooth, reliable, and convenient ride along the region's busiest street. The system will feature 19 stops, travel through 2 urban growth centers, and connect to major transit systems. There will be a maintenance and storage facility built for light rail vehicles. Canada is undertaking several significant public infrastructure projects aimed at enhancing transportation networks, promoting energy sustainability, and improving urban development. These projects reflect Canada's commitment to modernizing infrastructure to meet growing demands and to support economic growth. Despite their scale and scope, many of these projects also face challenges related to environmental impact, regulatory approvals, and community engagement. As Canada continues to invest in infrastructure, these projects will play a crucial role in shaping the country's future connectivity, energy efficiency, and overall quality of life for its residents.